You are wonderful. You are worthy. Oh Lord, you are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I want to do a simple worship tutorial. We are going to use a simple worship song that most of us are familiar with. So we give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. So in case this key is not good for you, maybe you can get yourself a couple if you're a beginner, and if you are through with the bar chords tutorial, maybe you want to. We give you glory, Lord. You can play the bar chords as we honor you. We give you glory, Lord, as we honor you. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Yeah, so let's go back to C. So we are going to use the simple chords. Let's first of all grasp the basic chords that form the song. So we give you glory, Lord. You stay on the one, C, as, then G. We honor you. We give you glory, A minor. That's the 6. As 5, we honor you. You are wonderful one. You are 5. Oh, 1. You are 4. 5. And if you realize when you are singing this song, you are wonderful. So it's also a requirement to know the major chords that form the major scale. Yeah, so try and play the surface of this song. So it's wonderful. So you see it ends on the 4, and it kind of have some feel of re in it. So maybe you are wonderful. So you can see that you are one. If you want to fill that space, 2, 1, you are worthy. Worthy. 4, 1, you are 1, 4, 2. Then you maybe can go to 6. You are 5. Oh Lord, if you want the guitar to sound that ending part, maybe you want to give it the second note, the re, instead of playing the first string. You can try and avoid playing the first string. Oh Lord, you are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. And I think you can use the notes that are not in the major scale, something like the to. So this note is found between the La and the T. So we also have the La on the 5th fret here. Oh, sorry, the La is here. So this note, or this note. So you are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. So this part. Oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. survive. Oh Lord, then you are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. I think this video is enough. We'll end here, and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give a like, thumbs up, share, comment in the comment section if you have any thing that you want me to clarify, and anything that you believe I could have added to make this video very insightful. Also, if you want any specific tutorial around this song or any other song, you can suggest your song, give your song suggestions in the comment section, and I'll get to it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. So I'll continue a tutorial with the sophos, how to play the sophos around these kind of songs. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord.